strain. The most authentic definition of a strain is going to be the relative deformation in a body. Relative deformation means, suppose you say relative change, it becomes delta x by x. This is called relative change. When the change in length, it becomes delta L by L. When the change in volume, it becomes delta V by V. So, relative change produced in a body is called a strain. Longitudinal strain could be produced by longitudinal stress only, means the force is applied along the length of the wire, the length will change in length upon length, this is going to be longitudinal strain. But at the same time, you must be aware that it could be of two types, whether it is stressed, then tensile strain. When it is compressed, then it is going to be compressive strain. The range of strain, whether it is longitudinal or volumetric, both the strains lie between 10 to the power minus 3 and 10 to the power minus 6. Volumetric strain means the stress applied is normal to the surface. Volumetric strain would be delta V upon V. Then shearing strain, that means one face of the body is fixed, that is fixed. Tangential force is applied and this J goes to J dash. That means the shape has changed. You could say dishaping has taken place. There is the deformation in the shape of the body. This point, say K, has gone to K dash. This is shifting, say, delta x. This is the distance from fixed end, suppose L. Then delta x upon L, this would be equal to tan theta. And this is known as shearing strain. We also use the term tangential strain for this, but three types of strain I told you: longitudinal, volumetric and shear strain. Now at the same time, when you are studying three types of strain, you have to focus more on longitudinal strain. Why? Because whenever a wire is subjected to the longitudinal force, length will change, no doubt, but at the same time the radius will decrease. So you could say strain is taking place side by side, vertically and horizontally as well. That means in perpendicular direction, strains are taking place together. The strain corresponding to length would be known as primary strain, that is delta L upon L. And the strain corresponding to the radius, that will be known as secondary strain. Sometimes these are also called primary and lateral strain. Alpha and beta terms are also used for these. And beta upon alpha, this is what we call sigma, that is Poisson's ratio. This also you have to remember. Apart from these three strains, longitudinal, volumetric and shearing, you should also be aware with the two terms. If length is increasing, it is primary strain. At the same time, radius is getting decreased, this is secondary strain. And the two have a particular ratio named as Poisson's ratio.